So we just made it to Nusa Penida, and the first thing we need it's a scooter. The normal price I think will be like 100.
Yeah, because it's more than 24 hours, so I don't think we will manage to get a much better price. But let's see, we'll speak with a few and see what happens.
80,000. Where is the bike? Can we see it?
Ngintip money ini.
This? Okay. Okay, it's a good one. Do you also provide a helmet?
Helmets, yes.
Okay.
3 years ago when we came here to Nusa Penida, we had a flat tire.
We just had a flat tire in the middle of nowhere.
And that's why the first thing I check now is the tires. As you can see, this one is shit. Sorry for the language, but this one is really good. So what's the bad thing about Nusa Penida is that the roads are totally shit. And if you get a driver, it's really expensive if you get a taxi. And if you hire a scooter, then I wish you a good luck. Wish us luck as well.
So we just made a quick stop. We had to pay some government taxes, which is actually 25,000 IDRs each person, yeah. And you pay that to be able to enter the island practically. I don't know what the deal is, but every time we come to Nusa Penida, we always come across a ceremony and the entire street gets locked down. So we have to wait until they finish. I don't know how long it will take, but we are tired, we are hungry, and we want to go to our hotel. So after driving for almost 50 minutes, we made it to our homestay for the night. Panos already made himself comfortable. We brought some toast and
We do anything
Nutella.
to save money and everything.
Actually, we were looking for some crepes the past days. We couldn't find any. So we thought, okay, the best solution would be to buy a toast and some Nutella. And I think we are both happy.
I'm
Yes?
happy, yeah.
So let's go to sleep, rest
Just
a
for
bit.
1 hour.
Rest a bit, and then we will go and explore Nusa Penida. After sleeping for almost an hour, we are now packed and ready to go. It started raining. Thankfully, we found something to stand under.
The rain stopped and we made it to Diamond Beach.
And we also had to pay
10,000.
10,000 rupiah each and another 5,000 for the motorbike.
So this is like 170. Opa!
And she stopped.
Stephanie is dancing now.
Thanks.
Downstairs, okay?
We made it.
Safe and alive.
As you can see, it's not that easy. It's not that hard as well, but you need shoes, baby. You need
These
shoes.
were the bad choice.
Yeah. It's definitely worth coming down here.
Yeah, although I have to admit that from above it looks more magical than
Yes, it
when
is,
being here, but still it's a really, really nice experience. And only 3 minutes away from the Diamond Beach is the most famous tree house here in Nusa Penida. Rumah Pohon is the name. I didn't think we would find it so easily, but it was actually pretty easy to find it.
It was so easy to find it, and the parking cost like 5,000.
5,000
Yeah.
per motorbike, so you just pay for the motorbike. If you want, you can park upstairs and don't pay anything at all. So we just talked with two girls from France. We actually met them before at Diamond Beach. We asked them if they went down to the treehouse, and they were like, oh, it's too far, so many steps, we were too tired after Diamond Beach. So let's see, they scared us a bit.
Maybe they don't care about Instagram, that's why.
Maybe, or YouTube.
Because I can see it from here actually.
I think it's not very far.
Yeah. This is it. It's really nice.
And at this moment, we would like to thank the sponsor of this video, which is none other than Skash. It's the easiest, fastest and safest mobile payment method that also gives you up to 10% cashback vouchers on each of your daily transactions. Download the Skash app now and start saving.
We just came up.
I'm exhausted.
It took forever.
It definitely felt like forever. Now about the treehouse. I have to admit that although it was nice and the views were pretty incredible, but definitely not what you see on Instagram.
And by the way, you have to pay, guys.
Yeah.
It's like 75 per person.
But we managed to bargain.
Yeah. Some of them, they did pay 75 per person. Some of them, they didn't even pay. I don't know.
If you're lucky.
Yeah, we paid. It's up to you, I don't know. It's not up to you actually, but
maybe you are lucky.
If you are good at it. Stephanie said it's not worth it, but it's a cool spot to have a photo. I mean,
it is worth it because if you do the math, it's just €5. So it's worth having a picture from there. But it's just not what you see on Instagram. It's a perfect example of Instagram versus reality. But it's still worth going there.
Anyway, με αυτά και με αυτά.
With this and this.
With this and this. Like we say in Cyprus. Let's go to it.
So this is what we get with 35k each. Pretty good burger with fries and a couple of dips. I don't know, ketchup. This is very spicy. I thought it was ketchup.
Good luck with it.
Yeah. Let's dig in. I'm really hungry.
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you. Hello, pregnant woman.
So we just made it to this amazing place, which is one of the most Instagrammable places in the world, and just have a look.
The water is unreal.
We have good luck.
We will need more than luck to go down here. Yes, you are quicker. Pano, let him go first.
Thank you.
No worries. It takes us time. You are used to it. My God. This man has to carry things up and down every day. Most probably a lot of times per day. The nightmare of stairs. Oh my God. Oh, hallelujah. Guys, the water was so strong that it actually took one contact lens from me. Now I don't see, now I can see. Now I don't see, now I can see. At least I have one left. I can see something. But yeah, if you're wearing contact lenses, good luck. 20 minutes later and we are at Angel's Billabong, which is this little coast, I don't know what you can call it, where you can have a swim, but you need to be careful exactly of that.
One go around, but we don't have too lot of time. Maybe 5 minutes, yeah.
And only 1 minute away from Angel's Billabong is the known Broken Beach. As you can see, the water is really, really nice. That's why Banos is going to fly the drone now.
Always.
And
I want to show you everything, guys.
And unfortunately, after that, we'll have to head back to the harbor because our ferry is going back to Bali in a couple of hours.
It's time for us to leave Nusa Penida. It's time to go back home to Bali.
It was a short trip, but definitely a full one. We've managed to make a lot of things, though it wasn't enough because Nusa Penida is a big island and it has so many things to do, so we will be back. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video. Stay tuned for our next adventures.